Go. Nice, well done. Look at that. Picking up some speed. How quick can you do it now for the last 10 seconds? Go as quick as you can. Oh, brilliant. Outside touch, L. Brilliant. Brilliant. Now pause there. I want to hear a little bit of mindfulness from you now, Brad. If you was a coach, if you were Coach Brad talking to player Brad, okay, so you're your coach talking to yourself, what would you say is important when you do this particular activity? What's important for you when you do the L turn and outside touch? What do you have to keep in mind?
Do slower and you can get more confidence and go faster.
Yeah, brilliant. And what about any technical advice? So when you do your drag back and push outside touch, what's important about your touch? Have you got any advice for you to give yourself?
To do them a bit smaller.
Yeah, why would that help you?
Because if you do it smaller, you can get more confidence a bit and then you can do bigger.
True, but also a lighter touch keeps it under more control or less control. So if I take lighter touches, more control, which is what I want in a skill. I want to have the best control possible. Whereas if I take really heavy touches, oh, lost the ball. Okay, so let's see it from you now. So think about the advice you've just given yourself. Okay, L turn, touch, control, repeat. Good, well done. Now keep it in mind, can you get a little bit quicker, just a little bit, as you get more confident with this? Brilliant, can you pick up the pace by maybe 5 or 10% more? Brilliant. Wider V-turn, roll, control, step off and repeat. V-turn, roll, control. Okay, cool. Coach Brad, come back in the building. Right, talk to player Brad about what he could improve in there. Do you think? What can he strengthen?
Maybe do it quicker and have confidence so it's better.
Yeah, okay, so that's the next level. So it's to go a little bit quicker with a bit to increase the confidence, definitely, okay? Brad, your skill combo this week is this one. So you're gonna do stuff you've done in ball mastery. So you're gonna start with the left foot on the ball. So you're gonna do left foot drag, inside left. Right foot on the ball, drag, inside right. Then from here, you're gonna do a left foot V-turn, left foot roll, control, and repeat. So drag, inside, V-turn, roll, control. Let's go. Brilliant. Keep going. Nice one. 2 more times. Drag, push, V. Love it. One more time for us.